Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are out and you all guessed it right, it's going to be a travel sort of a vlog, not maybe travel sort of, but a staycation. So it's my bro's birthday and we are going for a staycation in Mumbai. Where is it? You will come to know very shortly, so stay tuned and let's get ahead with the video. So guys, we have come to the Rami guest line. We are here at the place at Rami Guest Line. It's near Juhu Beach. Hey, what's up?
What's up? Let's go.
Heading towards the room. Let's see how it is. You're glowing in the dark. Neon.
Hold on.
Come on in. It's a very cute, nice, sweet room.
Yeah,
And
it's
all the
kind of
basic
a
things are
studio.
there. So, as it is, we are only for a day. Staycation. So, all the basic things for a day are very well there.
Alright. Doesn't have like a view, but yeah.
Greenery around, yes. And a lot of greenery here.
Alright. That's
You
the
yourself are so green today. Neonish.
Yep.
Is it?
Yep.
Who wants to see the bathroom? There is our return. And the pool is, I think, gym. Fitness center. You have bought your gym clothes, but not your gym shoes.
Are you guessing what it is?
Yeah. Where are you going?
We can remove it.
This is a gym. Like we can go to the pool section also. This is a closed one. In the evening, it should be good. It's a good mix of gym and pool together. I've not seen something like this before. Gym and pool together.
6.5 feet.
Oh my god. No,
Down
no.
out there.
No, not going up there. How much is over here?
4.5. This is 5.5.
This is also too much for me. I can only be around over here. 4.5 and that too like with aid of someone. With aid of this guy. Only. You can go till 5.5. This is the spa. This is a room? Yeah. Okay. This is the spa room. Oh, there is a salon as well over here. Okay. What's up? Why your hand is over the head?
Huh?
What's up?
Nothing. I should have got my gym clothes, man. They have a good gym with like a dungeon setup, which I miss the most.
But you're also a little bit sick.
I
So,
know, yeah, I've got like a bad throat and a little bit of cold, so I don't
so
want to risk
advisable
it.
not to overexert.
Last time I remember I did cardio and then I was sick for the next 2 days because I'm not.
So
worked
yeah,
out
let's
since
not
then.
do it. Maybe next time, sometime.
Hopefully.
What is your view of this hotel? If I
Hotel
have to
is
summarize.
hotel is decent. I mean, in terms of if you want like a one night stay for the price, it's
In your own
quite
city.
decent. Yeah. It's got all the facilities. I mean, it's got like a pool, it's got a gym, it's got a spa, salon, in case you want to go. And it's got all the clubs which are very near, close by. So in the building
Yeah.
itself, there is Aradda, there is Yeda Republic, there is Jhatka.
Tanatan is nearby.
Tanatan is also same building. So it's quite a good place if you want to stay and explore the city.
Okay, and even the Jew beach is very nearby.
Yeah, Jew beach is walking
all the
distance.
beach people can stay nearby
Yeah.
over here. It's like a walking distance from here. Novotel is nearby. So we have all the good hotels also nearby. So it's a good place. Worth the money, I guess, at least. Yeah. Okay, we are waiting in the lobby for mom, dad and the birthday boy to come in. So I'll just see you guys when they are in. So finally the birthday boy and mom dad have arrived. Finally found the location. What is your first experience? Is it on Juth Anand Road or AB Nair Road now? What is all this? What is all this? What are all these things?
Ready to eat chocolate, mommy. Congratulations, mommy, for upgraded room.
What upgraded room?
कच्चा आम
The
फ्लेवर
only room where TV is
guava
working.
candy
And ginger candy.
ginger
The remote
candy
is working.
And
and melody chocolate.
okay, so I think these are birthday goodies.
Yes.
So birthday boy will distribute these birthday goodies.
So we are waiting for your distribution.
I already had one ginger.
Booking in Tanatan at night.
Tanatan is full. Do not mislead our audience. Tanatan is full today. And I think dad is going
Dad
to
is
mark
going-
the entire
No,
menu
no.
and everything.
Dad is going through the history of Rami Guest Line group of hotels. According to Dad, this is a 4-star hotel.
It's the first time, but what it is.
3-star.
And here, this man is troubled because none of the remotes
No,
are
it's
working.
Yes, it's working.
He made it work.
The only room
The only room where the TV works.
Yes.
where the remote
IPL
is
is on.
working. हाँ पापा तो यहाँ IPL जो से ना रहते हैं ना मतलब
At TV room.
TV room.
अरे जो मजा खाली सुआ ત્યાં जैसे बाकी અહીંયા
मैंने जगह तो पकड़ ली थी.
Boy,
relaxing.
look how he is relaxing like a boss.
We have given a permission to him to treat like a king.
Yeah, he'll be treated like a king.
Yeah.
So see, all of us are sitting.
बस.
All of us are sitting, including mom, dad, and look at him. Like a king.
Treat yourself
हाँ.
as a king.
Like a king.
Bring 5 chart from Jew Beach. This room.
Go and bring.
Get me 2 gola. Oh, बेचारा.
Heard. Heard.
5 chart.
गोलू ने together को
Lucky है.
આ લોકોને outside allowed તો હશે.
He is matching with this mannequin. Same color. I think this is the color of your birthday.
Yeah.
Lilac.
Go lavender.
Go lavender.
जय उली ने हाथ में हाथ लगे.
We have just come out for a walk. We want to have some chaat. We feel like having some chaat. So just going to the Jew beach and coming back quickly, having chaat and then coming back quickly. Yeah, beach babies. Back to the beach. I think last weekend also we were over here. I think the beach is calling us. I always love the beach vibe. It's so good. So peaceful to see this water. And here we are to fill our tummies first. Let's see what we can have. Beach babies.
Beach babies.
Beach babies.
Start here, Belpuri.
Birthday boy on the beach.
Birthday boy about
Belpuri,
to fall.
Sevpuri, mom and
Belpuri, Sevpuri.
Hi Nisha. Birthday boy about to fall.
Oh my god. What is this?
Beach.
Oh, beach vibes, huh?
तेरा सुई से केवल
जो बताओ अनित कैमरा
मम्मी और फुल फॉर्म मारे वहीं पर डांस हाँ आई थिंक चाट नो एकदम जोश आ गई
જો ચણા વાળો
चनाचोर.
This is such a Goa vibe. Feel like Sharkspur Basin. Birthday boy very busy.
ખોટા ખોટા બીજી
Now there's a lot of chaat. I think we have
Yeah,
sev
sev
puri,
puri,
bel,
अच्छा अगर अभी
खाओ
दूसरा
बच्चा,
ऑर्डर
जय
देते हैं
and another Belpuri. Same material.
same
Lots
material.
of
Same.
क्या पड़ा है?
ले ले
हो
ले.
गया.
क्या पड़ा है?
तो क्या ऊपर है?
चटापटा चड्डा वाला गए. So somebody has given a rose to him.
Somebody has given. Who's somebody?
Who's somebody? Who? Nation wants to know. Nation wants to know.
Question for my next week. Whoever
Yeah.
right answer will get an opportunity to come live on my blog next week.
Okay. So guys, comment who might have given a rose to him on birthday. It's not my Bobby, so who can it be? Not any of us.
It's a very special person who we met on the beach.
Yeah, who we met on the beach.
दिलचाता में कौन है दिवाली?
Is this a video? This is a vlog.
Someone's proposing.
Yes. भाई आप तो खरी छोड़तो નથી फोटो लेना फोटो mother in law daughter in law are you guys enjoying you're going there inside the beach inside the water question for our viewers
he gifted himself then he gifted me
ये मारू मास्क ये रही क्यों क्या
આ તારા હાથમાં છે
બધા પાછા ભાઈ લે છે જો એના ફોટા પાડે મેં કીધું એકદમ ફોટા પાડે છે મારું તો હતું.
so we are back now
Yes. After fighting with the BMC guy for not wearing a mask.
Not wearing a mask, it is our fault. We should not.
I mean, we weren't wearing a mask because we were taking a picture. So he
and
caught
did you
us.
pay the fine
No, we didn't end up paying the fine
how did you get through
because he was from my town.
Patan
Patan.
કેટલાનો લીધા?
National loss.
थोड़ा ठंडा पड़ी है गुजराती जो
the birthday boy is again sleeping like a kid
અમે ડ્રોપ એવું એને એમનું શું જમીને ન પીછાવે તો આ લોગિંગમાં ખરાબ લાગે.
I had to own my mask. Others were not wearing them.
no dad and mom had worn and we all four we did not wear mask I mean we had but we were clicking pictures
Yeah.
and vlogging so we did not wear mask
I had worn the mask due to my social responsibility.
no
All
no
other person are standing from ourselves. બીજા બધા દૂર જ હતા ને આપણે.
We are maintaining social distance.
I don't think you were even observing that. Just don't say it for the video's sake.
નહીં રિયાલિટી કોણ હતું
No, I'm
That's
telling.
what I was asking him. So we are double vaccinated. Why should I wear a mask?
But others are not. Others are
No,
not.
but then
We urge everyone to wear the mask like me.
You are not wearing. Only mom and dad were wearing it.
We have set an example for the society.
How to
Wear
not
mask like
pay
me.
fine and get away with it.
No, no. How to wear masks.
No.
Even if you are triple vaccinated. Even if you are 4 times vaccinated.
હવે જે બે લીધી ને ત્રીજું આવ્યું.
Look at this Maharaja now. One Maharaja just went out of the room. He's the other Maharaja now.
And look at this Maharani. Look at this Maharani. Look at this Maharani.
Ready for the pool? No, not like this. Like this.
Wait.
Pool.
What is she wearing?
Ready for the pool.
I think I'll have to wear glares to see you.
This
With
is
all
pink
the
tights and colorful. I'm like totally colorful. I'm a colorful parrot today.
oh god, I think we're going to be blinded with all the color.
Get used to colors in life. Get out of your black and white life. Ek minute. So now we have come to the pool. Here's the pool, as we had seen before. Here's the gym, and here we have the birthday boy entering. So here we have blue hair pani pani. Who's jumping into the pool? What is this? They are creating waves outside. Dad is hunting for shoes because he wants to go to the gym.
He is going out of camera. પાઇપ છે ત્યાં પકડવા માટે પાઇપ છે.
Body building. એમ કરી પછી લેવું.
Oh, God.
So now we are ready for the dinner. I'm just seeing everyone's outfit. Birthday boy, mom. Yeah, and finally my outfit. So we are at Tanatan. It is in our property itself. There's live music going on over here. Where have you come? Where have you come? And for what?
So what time?
For what?
Darshit's birthday.
Darshit's birthday dinner.
Darshit's birthday dinner. Dinner party, cake cutting,
Yeah, we can see the kid,
etc., etc., etc.
etc., etc. But waiting for the turn. There's waiting.
Yeah, I don't know when.
Waiting. You can see the waiting on his face. Astonished? No. Wow. I'm astonished to see this. Oh, English. समझो. Waiting for the food. Finally got the table.
And such if you want, it's not too high.
એને પૂછ્યું કે જૈનત છે ને આમાં ગળાતે છે.
Here is the special item from Utsav, the locha naan. Yum.
આ સારું હોય એટલે નહીં મગાવ્યું હોય.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Darshit. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you with fat babies.
With babies and babas.
A father was born. Mother સાથે father भी born.
મને થોડીક લે છે.
મારા વખતે તો અમુક ના કહી શકું ને. મારા વખતે ઓલરેડી ફાધર મધર બોર્ન થઈ ગયા.
Brother was born.
બ્રધર વોઝ બોર્ન. હા, મારા વખતે તું ગમ.
Brother was born.
સારી હે.
શું આગ લાગી ગઈ?
સારું છે ક્રીમ એકદમ મસ્ત
It's in video.
Life was born.
જ આવે છે આઈ થિંક. ઈશા હેપીમાં બદલી નાખજે.
5.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. We are back at the beach. It's morning and we again decided to come on the beach. So peaceful, so nice. There's a lot of public actually, you know. Hi everyone. इडली वाले ने पंपा मारी. Playing with dogs on his birthday, his favorite creature. So everyone's having breakfast. Are you guys enjoying? Birthday boy, happy birthday to you. Birthday breakfast.
Empty.
What empty? You're eating muffins and whatnot.
Your stomach is not empty.
Stomach is full, plate is empty.
મોબાઈલમાં બીજું કઈ ન હોય તો ચાલે એક જ મોડ છે. હા?
Do. My incoming, outgoing, and WhatsApp. You kind of.
English breakfast. Eating South Indian today.
मणि क्या कर रही हो?
सब्जी बनाने.
नहीं बनेगी सब्जी, पोहे बनेंगे. क्या बनेंगे?
पोहे.
पोहे निकाल.
So guys, we are now checking out. That's the end of the birthday series. Here is the birthday boy.
Done.
Yes.
Done with the celebrations.
Yes. Bye guys. Hope you all had fun.
See you next year.
See you next year.
See you next
No,
year.
see you next time on her birthday. Khushbu's birthday. Okay guys, bye bye. So this was my brother's birthday vlog. If you guys want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and do all the necessary things. Bye till the next time.